Welcome students. Students of class 9, welcome in our e-learning classes of Barnard Model School. Student, previous class we have completed the chapter quadrilateral. Today I will start the chapter circle. That is the 10th chapter of an NCERT book. So first 2 or 3 class I will discuss on introduction. Introduction means first I will discuss each and every terms which are related to the circle. For say there are many terms, almost 10 to 11 terms. One by one I will discuss such that there will be no confusion about the terms. Okay. First of all, as the chapter name is circle, I will give the definition of circle. So what is circle? I am writing the definition of the circle, that is, a circle is a locus of a moving point in a plane such that estimates such that its distance from a fixed point is always remain same. Okay, always remain same. A circle is a locus. First of all, what do you mean by locus? That is the first term. First you have heard that what is locus. Look, in another way, in class 11 we will do a chapter on locus. But here, just you can replace that word by path. Locus means path. Path of what? Path of a moving point. For example, take it is a fixed point O. Okay, and a moving point, that is A. That point is moving, keeping the distance same from that point. Okay, that point is moving along this direction, keeping the same direction with the fixed point, that is O, and that path is known as circle, and the center, that fixed point is called center of the circle. Fixed point is called center of the circle. And what is the meaning of that distance? That is the fixed distance, that is OA. That is called radius of the circle. That is called radius of the circle. So OA, now just join it, that is OB. In the definition it is given that the distance will be same. If it is 5 cm, it must be 5 cm. Okay, that is the. So a circle has infinite number of radius but have equal length. All the length of the radius are equal. That is 5 cm. That is also radius. 5 cm, 5 cm, 5 cm. All are 5 cm. So the fixed distance. Okay. So that its distance from a fixed point is always remain same, or it is fixed. That fixed distance is called radius of the circle, and that fixed point is called center of the circle. Okay. Now I am moving on the next part, that is radius. Okay. I hope it is clear. If you have need to copy it, you can do it. Next, radius. Okay, we define what is radius. Okay, first before that we should have a concept on line line segment and ray. What is line and line segment? Line means if both ends are extending, they are not fixed, then it is called line. And what is line segment? Line segment, that is, line segment means both ends are fixed, okay, that cannot be extending towards the infinity direction. A point is fixed and B point is fixed. These 2 points cannot be extended towards the infinity. And ray means one end is fixed and another end is extending towards the infinity. So that is the difference between line segment and ray. That concept will be needed in the definition of radius, chord, secant. Okay. So next, that is radius. A line segment, first of all, not line, that is line segment. A line segment joining any two points, PT, short for PT, any 2 points on the circle, So it is a circle that is center O, and point A and a line segment joining not any 2 points, joining center and any point on the circle, joining center and any point on the circle. Okay, a line segment joining center and any point on the circle, that is the point O, and any point such that A, you can take B, that line segment OB is the radius, OA is the radius. Okay, O and A, that is OA and OB, and radius is denoted by small r. Radius of circle is denoted by small r. Okay, next, a line. So the definition of radius: the line segment joining the center and any points on the circle. Next, circumference. In case of triangle, square, rectangle, perimeter means sum of the sides, sum of the boundary. Okay. So, for an example, that a triangle, length of this side A, B and C. So perimeter of the triangle, that is A plus B plus C. Now, in case of triangle, that boundary or perimeter is known as circumference. Okay, the perimeter of circle is known as circumference. Circle having center O and radius R. So circumference means that path traveled by the moving particle, moving object or moving point A. That path is the circumference. Okay. And what is the formula of circumference? That 2 pi r. Where pi equal to 22/7. So that is the circumference or perimeter. So circumference equal to 2 pi r, where r is radius of the circle and pi is a constant. Next, first exercise we will define. Then when we will solve the first exercise, then we define the pi. Okay, pi is irrational number or rational number. That time we will discuss on it. So circumference of the circle formula, that is 2 pi r. Okay, if radius of any circle is b, what will be the circumference of that circle? That will be 2 into pi into b, that is 2 pi b. It is a length. 2 pi b means it is a length. So circumference means the perimeter of the circle is known as circumference. Formula of circumference 2 pi r, where r is the radius and pi equal to 22/7. Next, interior point and exterior point of the circle. interior point and exterior point. Okay. I am giving some points, at point P, point Q and point R. Okay. Point P, point Q and point R. It is very much easy to identify that P is the outside, P is the point outside of circle, so it is an external point or exterior point. Q inside the circle, that is interior point. R is on the circle. Now join all the line segment OP, OQ, OR. Between OP, OR and OQ, which one will be greater? Which one will be greater? That is OP. OP means it is the length of the distance of any external point or exterior point from the center must be greater than the radius. The distance of any exterior point of the circle must be greater than radius, and just opposite for interior point. Interior point means the distance between interior point and center is smaller than the radius. Okay, so here OP greater than OR greater than OQ. So you can say, sir, if O is 5 cm, OA is 5 cm, OQ must be less than 5 cm. OQ must be less than 5 cm. And what about OP? OP and OA. Relation between OA and OP is greater than OA. So OP must be greater than OA. So OP must be greater than here 5 cm. That is the relation between exterior point, interior point and on the circle. And radius means joining the line segment joining the center and any point on the circle. Okay, that is the concept of exterior point and interior point. Okay. Next is chord. What is chord? A circle having center O. A circle having center O. Chord means line segment. A line segment, not line. Line segment. Okay. A line segment joining 2 points on the circle. 2 points on the circle. Okay. A line segment joining 2 points on the circle. Let the point A and point B. A and B, both the points are on the circle, so A is the chord. PQ, P is point of circle and Q. M and N are on the point, are the points on the circle, and last one XY. XY, 2 points on the circle, and just join it, that we get XY. So XY is the chord of circle having center O. So there are 4 chords, PQ, MN, AB and XY, but one chord is special. That is XMN. That is MN. Why it is special? Because that chord is passing through the center. That chord as it is special, so it has a special name, that is called diameter. Okay, that is called diameter. Diameter means, if you want to define diameter, the line segment or the chord passing through the center. So you can identify that diameter means one type of chord. But chord does not mean a diameter. That chord is the diameter which is passing through the center. And one easy question, if you are asked that which one is the largest chord? So answer is diameter. The largest chord is diameter. So diameter means the chord passing through the passing through the center. The chord passing through the center. So diameter means it is denoted by D. Some facts on diameter, it is denoted by D. It is the largest chord. It is the largest chord. And what is the relation between chord and radius and diameter? The relation between diameter and radius, the diameter is denoted by D and radius is denoted by R. So diameter equal to 2 into R. Okay? Diameter equal to 2 into R. So the chord and another points that a circle have infinite number of diameters. Infinite number of diameters. For an example, it is center O, it is a diameter. So it can have infinite number of diameter, but all of them have equal length. Okay, so students, today I have discussed up to diameter. Next day I will discuss on secant, tangent, arc, central angle, semicircle and concyclic point. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you. Bye.